Hello guys, I'm Gabriel. Today I'll walk you through how to create data entry form with Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. With my Office 365 opened, as you can see my HR data, the name, the date of birth, the age, the location and department. Assume you want to create like a database for the HR department, and this comes in handy. Remember the date, the age of the officers here are automated. You have your data range in a table form like this, and all you need to do is to go to the top where you have the search, click in there and just type form and simple. It will pop up just like it's popping up, and I click on my forms and bingo, this dialog box comes. It makes your work easier and straightforward. All you have to do, as you can see here, the name, you can create new, you can scroll down without going back to your Excel sheet. You just have to make all your input at this point and the magic happens. And once you scroll down, you can see all the data you've already inputted. So let's create a name. So you can just click on new. On the new person, the name here is, let's say I have a staff by name Ama Gabriel. So you just enter the name just like I am doing now. Then you also enter the date of birth of the person, just like I'm keying in, like simple and straightforward. If you carefully watch the age column, it is empty. It's mainly because in the original form it is automated. So we skip and go to the location. You just put in the location in there as Lagos, and we have the department, and the department we have here is going to be finance. This makes it easier for you to make input without disturbing it. And immediately you hit enter, it just pops up on the back of your Excel sheet without you going there. Simple and easier. And in short, even the age has been calculated. Let me do another entry for another staff. His name is Olubenga Emmanuel. Let's enter the date of birth. The date of birth being 19. That's the age is not there. The location here is Lagos, and the department remains IT. All I do is hit enter, check down there and hit enter, and Olubenga has been added without you disturbing your Excel sheet. So it's like you are building a simple Excel sheet. This is one of the easiest way for you to create a database for your department. Even in a finance department, it can help you with their asset register. In your HR department, it can help you do a lot of things. And amazingly, you can also use it. You can also do a search there, just like we do our normal search in Excel. If you click on the criteria, it helps you do the search easily. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also like and share to other data enthusiasts for more insights like this. See you in our next class. I'm Gabriel. Bye.